Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to start off by just jumping right in. I'm going to be making this cute one-stroke princess with bling, and I'm using a 3/4 inch brush I got from Silly Farm, and I love this brush. It's from their paint pal collection. So I'm going to start by taking this super cute Arty cake called Pretty Baby and doing 2 strokes on my forehead, and then 1 stroke going up from the corner of my eye and 1 stroke going down. Next, I'm going to take this super cute glitter from Mama Clown, and it is their just iridescent white glitter. It's super pretty, and I'm using my finger to pat it on, so I don't want to get it everywhere, but I'm still getting it everywhere. So I'm going to take this just clean sponge, wiping it off, grabbing my Glimmer Body Art body adhesive, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the bottom of my crown and then the back of my bling. Next, I'm going to take a Lowell Cornell number 3 with Wolfe white and just add some cute teardrops going towards the center of the crown and some cascading dots coming down. Next, I'm going to take my bling and position it and make sure that it's on there. I push it a couple times and just to make sure I've got a good adhesive, and there you saw me telling my son to turn off the TV. So I'm going to take that Lowell Cornell number 3 with Wolfe white and add some swirls on either side of the crown with some dots. And next I'm going to come in and do some dots on the crown, but apparently I edited that out. Next, I'm going to take this super old Paint Pal flower brush that I got from Silly Farm years ago, and I don't think they make them anymore, but it is my favorite petal brush. So I'm going to load it with white and the pink from the split cake that I was just using. I tested it on my hand, and I'm going to add some petals to the sides of my eyes, and to round off the design, I added it to the crown as well. Next, I'm going to come in with some swirls on the top and bottom. And what you do on one side, you're going to do on the other. And I edited that out to make this video a little bit shorter. Next, I'm going to add some teardrops to tie in the top of the crown to the side of the princess design. And some dots, some starbursts, just to finish it off. And I came in with some American Body Art Pixie paint in Abracadabra. It's super pretty, really iridescent, and it picks up pretty much a lot of the colors that you use in your designs. So now I'm going to take a lipstick applicator brush, and I'm going to swipe that across my pink in my Pretty Baby split cake. And I'm going to use that as lipstick. Super pretty, and it helps just balance everything out, and it really ties into the design. And I love finishing everything off with a little bit of glitter, because you can never have too much glitter. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks, bye!